Hello, Roger Bisbee here from the Skill Builder channel. I've got a little job going on here. Actually, I'm just helping out. He started taking the tiles off and he came across what we all dread, which is Paramount board, which other people know as egg box board. And the trouble is that once you start hacking the tiles off, you hack the whole wall off. It's only very, very thin. If you start taking too much out of it, you might as well take the whole wall down and put up a new stud wall. So he's a little bit stuck. Like a lot of plumbers, he was a little bit under time pressure as well. So I said to him, well, if you like, I'll come along and take off the tiles for you. At least you've got a head start. And then when he gets back here, he can crack on with the plumbing bit. I've done this before, and if you start attacking it with a bolster, what you end up with is little things like this. And you can see where he's come through to the actual honeycomb. It's only bits of cardboard, so you've got two bits of plasterboard separated by a cardboard honeycomb or egg box arrangement. And there's a bit of timber stud in the corner here, but other than that, there's nothing really between there and there other than this horrible Paramount board. How do you get the tiles off without taking the wall off? Well, there is actually a very simple way of doing it, and it just depends on the adhesive as to how successful this is. Now what we've got here is we've got tile on tile, which some people will go, oh my goodness, what a bodge job, but actually tile on tile is very good. So here's my little trick. So that's it, nothing fancy, very simple really, but just carry on, have a bit of patience, don't try and do too much. Don't hit the middle of a tile, just nibble away at the edges and you'll get there. But if you try to do it in the middle, because of the tension of the tiles, you won't actually break them away. So always just nibble at the edges all the way along and you'll find it'll come away. Now once I've done that, I'm going to fill the holes in with a bit of foam, and depending on what it looks like, we give it a skim coat or just a bit of bonding in the holes, and then it'll be ready for retiling. Unfortunately, the customer here doesn't want to go floor to ceiling with the tiles. They want to have them just up to say 3/4 with a board around it. So that means that the top bit's got to be plastered anyway, skim coat. And this is a personal thing, but if it were me, I think I'd skim the ceiling as well and get rid of all that horrible artex. No place for it in a bathroom, no place for it in a kitchen, no place for it in a house as far as I'm concerned. So I'm Roger Bisbee. I hope you found that useful. I hope you found that interesting, and if you did, please like it and share it. If you didn't like it, then don't like it. It helps us make more videos if we get more views on these. Share it with your friends, share it with your enemies, share it with anyone. Share it with President Trump. I'm sure he'd like to see it. You could put a 10% tariff on it.